The Sumerian civilization is one of the earliest and most fascinating civilizations to have ever existed on our planet. It is believed to have emerged around 4000 BCE in Mesopotamia, which is present-day Iraq. The Sumerians were highly advanced in various fields, including agriculture, writing, mathematics, astronomy, and art. Despite the fact that the civilization lasted for only about 3,000 years, its legacy continues to influence modern society in countless ways. In this essay, we will take a journey through time to unveil the secrets of the Sumerian civilization. To begin with, it is important to understand the geographical and historical context in which the Sumerian civilization emerged. Mesopotamia, which literally means the land between two rivers, is a region located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. This region is often referred to as the cradle of civilization because it is where some of the earliest known human settlements were established. The fertile land between the two rivers was ideal for agriculture, and it allowed people to settle down and form organized societies. Over time, these societies developed into more complex civilizations, with the Sumerian civilization being one of the earliest and most significant. The Sumerian civilization is known for its many accomplishments, but perhaps one of its most significant contributions to human history is the invention of writing. The Sumerians developed a writing system known as cuneiform, which involved using a stylus to make marks on clay tablets. This system allowed them to record and communicate information, which was essential for the development of complex societies. The Sumerians used writing for a variety of purposes, including recording transactions, keeping records, and telling stories. Another significant aspect of the Sumerian civilization was its religion. The Sumerians were polytheistic, which means they believed in many gods and goddesses. Their religion was a central aspect of their daily lives, and it influenced everything from their social structure to their art and architecture. The Sumerians built elaborate temples to honor their gods and goddesses, and they believed that these deities controlled everything from the weather to fertility. Despite the fact that the Sumerian civilization is known for its many achievements, there are still many secrets that remain hidden. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Sumerian civilization is its mysterious origin. Scholars are still trying to understand how this civilization emerged seemingly out of nowhere around 4000 BCE. Some theories suggest that the Sumerians migrated from elsewhere, while others suggest that they developed from an indigenous population. Regardless of their origin, the Sumerians left a lasting impact on human history. One of the most interesting aspects of the Sumerian civilization is its social structure. The Sumerians were organized into city-states, which were independent political units that each had their own government and ruler. These city-states were often in conflict with each other, but they also traded with each other and shared cultural traditions. Within each city-state, there was a hierarchical social structure that was based on wealth and status. At the top of the social hierarchy were the rulers and priests, followed by the wealthy merchants and landowners. At the bottom were the peasants and slaves. Another intriguing aspect of the Sumerian civilization is its art and architecture. The Sumerians were skilled artists and craftsmen, and they created a variety of beautiful and intricate objects, including pottery, jewelry, and sculpture. They also built impressive architectural structures, such as ziggurats, which were large temple towers that served as a focal point for religious ceremonies. The Sumerians also developed a system of canals and irrigation that allowed them to irrigate their crops and produced surplus food. In addition to their artistic and architectural achievements, the Sumerians were also highly advanced in the field of mathematics. They developed a number system based on the number 60, which is known as the sexagesimal system. This system is still used today to measure time in angles, and it is also used in modern computers. The Sumerians also developed a system of weights and measures, which was essential for trade and commerce. Furthermore, the Sumerians were skilled astronomers, and they made important contributions to the field of astronomy. They tracked the movements of the stars and planets, and they were the first to divide the day into 24 hours. They also developed a lunar calendar, which was based on the phases of the moon. This calendar was later adapted by other civilizations, including the Babylonians. Despite their many achievements, the Sumerians faced numerous challenges throughout their history. One of the greatest challenges was invasion and conquest by outside forces. The Sumerians were invaded by a number of different groups, including the Akkadians, the Babylonians, and the Assyrians. These invasions led to the decline of the Sumerian civilization, and by around 2000 BCE, the Sumerian city-states had been absorbed into larger empires. Another challenge that the Sumerians faced was environmental. The region of Mesopotamia is prone to flooding, and the Sumerians had to develop sophisticated systems of irrigation and flood control in order to survive. However, even with these systems in place, the Sumerians were often at the mercy of the unpredictable floods, which could destroy their crops and homes. Despite these challenges, the Sumerians left a lasting legacy on human history. Their invention of writing paved the way for the development of complex societies, and their contributions to mathematics, astronomy, and architecture continue to influence modern society. The Sumerians also left behind a rich cultural legacy, including epic poems such as the Epic of Gilgamesh, which is one of the earliest known works of literature. In conclusion, the Sumerian civilization is a fascinating and important part of human history. From their invention of writing to their contributions to mathematics, astronomy, and art, the Sumerians were highly advanced in a number of different fields. Although their civilization ultimately declined, their legacy continues to influence modern society in countless ways. By taking a journey through time to unveil the secrets of the Sumerian civilization, we can gain a deeper understanding of our shared human history and the achievements of our ancestors.